challenge from the woman with multiple roles is they must constantly balance their time, their energy, and also their emotions. For women, personal development is very important. It enables women to build self-confidence, manage their emotions, and also overcome any obstacles. Well-being for women is very crucial because it encompasses with various dimensions, including physical, mental, emotional, social, and also spiritual. And as we know, the journey of well-being in every woman is very unique and it's based on different needs. Inspired from the spirit of Raden Adjeng Kartini, Apurva Spa proudly presents Empower Her program, a transformative one-day program in collaboration with the Yoga Barn. And this program is including a mindful workshop, a holistic session, and this is exclusively for women.